Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about how to make parallel connection with different LEDs and motor with fan. Right? Let us take what are the necessary parts to make this circuit. The first part is what we want to take is 9-volt battery. You see, this is a 9-volt battery. You see here, it is 9-volt, right? And you need a fan with motor and LED bulb. You see, this is an LED bulb. This is a flashing LED bulb, right? And we are taking two switches, this switch and another switch is this one, right? Now let us find out how to make parallel connection with this LED and motor with fan, right? For that we take some connecting wires. You see, these are red in color and black, right? Red and black, right? Let us take some connecting wires. These are connecting wires, red. You see here, this one is red in color. 1, 2, and we have taken 3 red wires, and we'll take 3 black wires. 1, 2, and this one is the third black wire. See here, we have taken another black wires, that is this one, 3 black wires, right? Now we will connect these wires with motor and LED to make them parallel connection. What is the procedure? You see that here you see, if you see the battery, first try to see the battery. You see, this is the 9-volt battery. This is red, one point is red, that means this is positive, and the black one is the negative. How to connect the motor and the LED in parallel connection, that I am going to show you, right? Here you see, this is a battery with red, it is plus. First of all, what if you do, connect this red wire, that is the positive, with this wire, right? With this wire. Yes, right? Not only that, since we are making it a parallel connection, take another wire and connect it with this wire again, because we are making a parallel connection, right? This one, right? Here what you have to do, you have to take a switch, right? Take a switch here, or first of all I am connecting the motor fan with this one, right? We are connecting this one point, we are making it a parallel connection, and another one with an LED, right? Since this is the uh, positive terminal, you make this LED connect it with the positive. The longer one is the positive and the smaller one is the negative. Connect it with the positive terminal of the LED, right? Here you see we have connected it, right? Now these are in parallel connection. You see, we have connected it in parallel, right? Now this is a black. What we do, take this black one, connect it with it, right? And this is the black wires, right? If we take a switch here, you can take the switch also. Take the switch here and take another black wires. Take another black wires, connect it with the switch and connect it with the LED. Right? Now what we do? Have we got the connection? Right? Now what we do? Take another switch. Take the since we are making a parallel connection, take another black wires and connect it here to make it parallel, right? And take here another switch for the fan. Here we are taking another switch for the fan and we will connect this switch with the fan, right? Take another black wires and put it here and connect it with the fan, right? Another terminal of the fan that we are making. Here you see we connect it with this one and switch off it. Now you see we have made this parallel connection, and you see how we have made parallel connection of both a wire with a fan and an LED, and it is how it is working that I am going to show you. Right here you see, if we take this fan here, now the circuit is ready. Now see the connection. This is a 9-volt battery. The positive terminal is attached with the positive of the LED, right? And the negative terminal of the LED is connect to a switch, and this switch is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, right? And here you see the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the fan, motor of the fan was one terminal, and the other terminal is connected with a black wire with a switch, and this switch is connected again with the negative terminal of the battery, and that is parallel connection, right? How it is working, that I am going to show you. Since we have made it a parallel connection, let's see how it works. Suppose we switch on this switch, what will happen? You see here the LED is glowing, right? This is parallel connection of LED and a fan, right? If we switch off, then the LED will goes off, right? Now if we use the other switch, let's see what happens. We have made it a parallel connection of the fan with the LED light, right? Let us now switch on the other switch. You see, this is the switch. Let's now if we switch on this switch, what happens? Let us see. Yes, you see here the fan is working. This is the parallel connection of LED and fan. You switch both LED and fan, let's see what happens. Yes, the fan is working and the LED is also working, right? That means they are in parallel connection, right? In this way you make parallel connection. If you switch off the light, it can be switched off, right? If you switch off the fan, it can be switch off the fan. You see, we have switched off the fan, but the LED is glowing. That's why in household purpose, that's why we make parallel connections in the home, because all the appliances are connected in parallel in home, because we can use either one fan or one LED or one TV, or you can use all of them together. That's why in home purposes we always connect all the appliances, all the load in parallel connection. You see here, if you want to go switch on only one LED, it is glowing. If you want only one fan, switch off. If you want to work a fan only, then switch on this switch and the fan will work, because it is in parallel connection. You see here, the fan is working, right? And if you switch off, it goes off, right? If you switch on both the switches, what happens? Both the fan and LED will glow. You see here, if you switch on this switch, the LED is glowing, right? And if you switch on this fan, it will also work. You see, it is also rotating. That means we can use both LEDs and fan together in parallel connection. And remember that in home also we use both the all the switch together, fan, light, or any other appliances, heater, all together, and all are connected in parallel connection. Remember that in home all the connections are in parallel, right? But you have to remember that the fuse we use in the circuit is in series connection. Why? Because if the fuse goes off, all the appliances will be protected in if there is a short circuit, right? If we switch off both it goes off and it can work. That means it can work in parallel connection, it can work single, it can work double, or whatever you like, that it can be. Now see, once again, here this LED is glowing. See, LED is glowing. One switch is on, right? If you switch off the LED, it can be switched off. If you want to work, if you want to rotate the fan, you switch on and the fan is working. Yes, see, right? And if you want to switch off the fan, it can be switched off. If you want both the light and fan simultaneously work, then it can also work in parallel connection. You see, first on switch on the light, yes, it is working, and we switch on the fan also, and it is working. Both are working. LED is also working and fan is also working at the same time, and that is the parallel connection. That's why we make the all the appliances in the home in parallel connection. The TVs, the LEDs, the lights, the bulbs, the heater, the geyser, all are in parallel connection, because we want those appliances either we want to apply at one or all at the same time. You see, one is working Either fan is working or LED is working or both are working at the same time, and that is the benefits of parallel connection. In parallel connection, we can make one LED glow, we can make one fan glow, one fan rotate, or you can make one LED and one fan together working. Right, here you see the light is working, and here you see the fan is also working at the same time. So here the LED is also glowing and the fan is also working at the same time. If you switch off, the fan can be switched off, and you see the LED is glowing now. If you switch off, the LED will not work. Here see, switch, LED is glowing. This is the profit of, this is the benefit of parallel connection. You have to remember that all the connections in the home are connected in parallel, because sometimes we use only one bulb, sometimes we use bulb and fan together, and sometimes we use bulb, fan and TV simultaneously, and all the appliances are connected in parallel at home. Remember that. Why? Because in parallel connection we can use one appliances at a time or all the appliances at a time. That's why all the appliances are connected in parallel at home. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Dear friends, if you want to be a member of our channel, you'll get many benefits and perks. Not only that, I will give you some videos which you can make such type of videos and make your videos viral, and your channel will be monetized within few days. Be our members. Thank you again for watching this video.